An organ transplantation scandal is currently shocking Germany. A surgeon working at the University Medical Centres in Goettingen and Regensburg is accused of having manipulated laboratory results to move his patients up the waiting list for organ transplantations. The prosecution is investigating more than 40 cases and whether other patients have died as a result.
We were really shocked that such a manipulation could take place in one of the German transplant centers. We have already a very sophisticated control system which fulfills international standards. So the transplant centers at the time of listing and continuously during the waiting period have to inform us about the clinical status of the patient. And one of the very important elements of that is sending in specific lab values which are used to calculate a score that helps in allocating the organs. What now happened in this specific center was that they used really with sort of criminal energy tricks to manipulate these lab values.
In Berlin, the Medical Association now held a special meeting together with the Hospital Federation and National Health Insurances. Swift action is needed. In Germany, donor organs are in high demand, yet the rate of organ donation remains low. Currently, 12,000 patients are on the waiting list for a transplant, while annually only around 4,000 operations take place. Every day, 3 people die needlessly because of the shortage.
Germany suffers from a tremendous lack of donors, and the repercussions of all these discussions are tremendous. The possibility to find organ donors is decreasing tremendously. What we need now is acceptance by the public, is a restoration of the feeling that everything is correct in organ transplantation in Germany, and therefore we urge for maximum transparency.
Politicians are alarmed as new data shows that fast-tracked donations in Germany have risen from 9% to over 37% in the past decade, calling for explanations. The Federal Health Minister Daniel Bahr called for a harsh punishment of doctors who manipulate. A high-level meeting of healthcare professionals and the ministry was scheduled for the end of the month. Only earlier this year, the government launched a broad campaign to encourage organ donation. The scandal is a serious setback. Government officials said to fear that the transplantation scandal will cost many lives in future, as now even less people are willing to donate their organs. Stefan Herrmann, PressTV, Berlin.